how to enable dark mode on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Samsung internet browser. First thing, go to the browser and now just click these three lines in the bottom corner and click settings, and here you will find web page view and scrolling. Click on it and then just click dark mode and click use dark mode and click always, and as you see dark mode have been turned on, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.